Rebekah. Tonight we are doing sauces of things. Have you ever had a midnight snack craving? Well, now I can get something healthy and sweet, and not much calories either. Watch this. Okay, first you got an apple. Daily household things. You got apples. You got a knife. Kids, don't do this at home. I'm not a kid anymore. And 2 spoons. And you have a bowl and puree. Remember to wash your hands. And remember to wash the apple and the cutting board and the knife and everything. Just make sure it's clean. You have some applesauce. You have grapes. And you have a banana. You can also add in pears, peaches, whatever other fruits you like. So we start off with the apple. We gotta rinse it off. And you cut it. 1 second. Let me get a picture out. Okay. And now, you cut the apple. I cut it sideways just to make it smaller pieces so much easier. You can do it however you like to cut. For me, sideways is easier. And don't cut yourself, please. If you're not good with knives, then there's like these apple cutter things that you can buy at like Walmart for like not that expensive. Oh, sometimes the apple's really pretty. That'd be a good picture. You could text it to someone to say yes. And if you don't like dealing with knives, don't give it to your kids. Like, please. Mommy and Daddy, don't give it to me. I'm scared. It takes a while to cut up the apple, but believe me, it is worth it. Worth it. While we are like waiting, while I'm like cutting up the apple, how about we have some tunes from Rebekah? That's me. I can't sing at all. I can sing, like I have the ability to sing. It's not the ability to sing well. So I will sing you songs. What are some songs that you guys like to hear from the audience? You.
The Bologna song.
I love the Bologna song. That's my favorite food song. Actually, I have better food songs that I like more. But that is one of my favorite food songs. Okay. My bologna has a first name. It's O-S-C-A-R. My bologna has a second name. It's M-A-Y-E-R. I love to eat it every day. It's B-O-L-O-G-N-A. Wasn't it beautiful?
It was.
Thank you. I have another one. It's by Mark Lowry. Do 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 do. If I had a dozen donuts, I would gladly stuff my face. I can eat it all wherever I desire. It's fat that I require, 'cause I'm a butterball. I'm wider than I'm small. I'm full of cholesterol. I can eat it all. I have a favorite phrase I would like you all to know. And it goes like this: man cannot live by bread alone. That is why I lay my glory on a golden flame of fire. The more I have, the more that I desire. I can eat it all. Thank you for listening to me.
I hope that didn't wake anybody up.
Not that anybody's sleeping or anything. It's only like midnight.
Right. Well, it's 11:31.
Oh, it's not midnight yet. Okay. So you can have it in like these pieces. You can get it smaller if you'd like to. And remember, I am a very sophisticated 14-year-old cutter. Usually, parents cut the apples. I am a trained apple cutter. Yes, I am. You may laugh, but I do. Okay, so we have our apples. And you might not use all of them. If you want them a little bit smaller, you can cut them a little bit smaller and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. And so, then you have the applesauce, which is pretty easy because you just go in here with a spoon, just like, and you just put as much applesauce as you usually eat in there. There's our applesauce. Lid back on. And then throw in a few apples. Actually, you can put them on the side and make it all like cute. Just if you like, kind of like, are like me and like to make your food look good. So then you eat something that you think is good. Sometimes it's really not good for you. But this stuff can be. And it looks all cute. And then you can use that for another night. Just pack it up, or you can use it in your lunch tomorrow. Get a banana. I wouldn't recommend using the whole thing if you don't have that much applesauce. And so you can make it look cool again. Put it around the apple. And just make it look pretty sweet. Sweet. Because it is like kind of literally sweet. I only get my jokes, you don't have to laugh, don't worry. And then you have grapes. You can get as many as you want, or if you don't like grapes, you can have peaches, pears, whatever. Just stick them in the middle. And then you're saying, how will this all, like, you can see the applesauce and the grapes and stuff together. I mean, you can do that way, or you can, like, mix it all in. It won't look as pretty, but it's kind of like a fruit applesauce salad. And if you don't like applesauce, then just have fruit salad. Another good midnight snack. Amazing. This is like my best friend right now.